Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey credit cousins, welcome back to the channel, your favorite spot to make finance fun and easy. Now today we're diving into an essential topic, credit cards. But before we do, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more insight and exciting info. So let's get rolling. So picture this, you've got your wallet loaded up with secret need credit cards. You're feeling pretty good about it, right? Well, you might want to pump the brakes. There's a rumor going around that Secretly has been closing credit card accounts. Yeah, you heard it right. Not one, not two, but some people have more than 20 other credit cards closed by Secretly. Now, 20 credit cards is a lot. But if you're in the credit game and you're utilizing the credit cards and you're making money from your credit cards, that could be a big deal, guys. And guess what? Community Bank is reportedly doing the same thing too. So let's talk about what happens when they do close your accounts. Well, not only is it a massive inconvenience, but it also leads to a higher credit utilization rate, which in turn can hurt your credit score. Yep, some of us have learned this the hard way. And for those who didn't know, well, now you do. And let's not forget, it's just not Secretly. Some of the other smaller banks are doing the same thing. So what do we do now? Simple. You diversify your credit card portfolio. Having a diverse set of credit cards from different providers can protect you from this kind of unexpected closure. It's just like investing. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. But why are they doing this, you ask? Well, some people were told that their balances were too high even when they didn't have a balance. And sometimes they might even close or reduce the limit on your credit cards without giving any reason at all. I've even had this same similar experience, and I actually posted on my community tab about this experience, letting you know what happened to me. It caught me by surprise. So if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to catch up all of my credit card updates on my community tab, because I do share a lot with you guys on the community tab. And I also know that it is frustrating when they do close or reduce your limits on your credit cards. I've experienced this as well, but it really didn't hit me as much because, like I said, if you diversify your credit cards with different lenders, you can catch up. Right? You can catch up. If you got a credit limit decrease on one of your credit cards, then request a credit limit increase on another credit card so that you will be able to get those points back up if it does take your points down a notch. Now, there's also the big question, what if you still owe money on these credit cards when they get closed? The fear is that these companies might sell the debt to a collection agency, and you never know. And trust me, nobody wants to deal with debt collectors, right? Ugh. All right, folks. That's all the time we have today. Thanks for joining me on this trip into the world of credit cards with Secretly and Community Bank. Remember, while credit cards can be a great tool, it's important to use them responsibly, and remember to diversify. Heavy on the diversify. If you have any questions or experience to share, drop a comment down below and let's start a conversation. As always, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can stay informed too. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.